This chapter makes you really love Bitum. I don't know if it's about, the little blonde guy uh, choking the other guy. That was cool because for once she wasn't, I'm the victim, everybody's attacking me, I'm a little cute girl and everything. No, she takes things by the hands or by the feet. And now we have the other part, the girl fully in love with Togo. That was almost pretty weird because I don't know, man, but they haven't been together for a long time, and now she's willing to die for him or something like that. Now she's front on you. That was pretty graphic, I would say. So that was weird. So anyway, but why do you love Beatum? Because the guy didn't fall for it. I mean, he was pretty cool about it. But I thought it would kill her already, but no. So I'm wondering why didn't you kill her? Because this will only bring you trouble next time. So who is it?